Hey guys, so I just gave a tour to a patient. It's a first-time patient at our office. So we do now laser resurfacing, which the results are just phenomenal. And we do what's something called a BBl, which is kind of like an IPL. But these are things. This is using light and heat to get rid of those brown spots, to get rid of those aging spots, to get rid of those sunspots, and the results are incredible. I mean, I'll put some of these before and afters on here, but you know, we do a lot of the stuff that's aesthetic, and it's important. You know, a lot of people say, well, that's just a superficial thing. Well, I can tell you from what I've been seeing for the past years, when people look in the mirror and they see that youth and vitality come back out again, it changes their life. I mean, it really makes them look at themselves in a different way. Their confidence level goes up, their smile comes back, they want to get back out there in the world again. You know, so I've been seeing a bigger picture here other than people just looking better. And you know, that's just the aesthetic stuff that, you know, we've invested in these amazing lasers and these BBl light therapies that are just gold standard, they're just the best in the world. And we've got dermatologists and we've got plastic surgeons who are just blown away at the equipment that we have in here. They're called Cyton lasers and BBl if you want to Google those and look them up. But we do that, and we've also been having amazing results with getting people off sugar. We've been having amazing results that people have been having stubborn belly fat. We use a test called an in-body machine and actually test the belly fat. It actually tests to see, it's not just about how much weight you're losing, but are you burning the fat? And we've just had phenomenal results, and you know, you can see some of the before and afters on here. I'm sure they'll put them up. But it's just amazing to me what happens when you can move the needle on somebody's visceral belly fat. It's amazing what can happen when you can change the way somebody's face looks. If you make them look years younger, they get the smile back, they get that spark back again, and then all other areas of life improve. And it's just been exciting to me to be able to see that. The last 2 years in particular have just blown me away by just how improving one area of somebody's life, all these other areas get better, like people getting promotions they never thought were possible, getting to new relationships, making current relationships better, feeling so good about themselves that they wanted to do other things with their charities or do other things with their churches. They're putting themselves back out there again. So you've been one of these people who've been having a difficult time losing the weight, or you know, your face looks like it's aging a little bit more prematurely, or you've got some sun damage, give us a call. We'll set you up for a free consult. I really would like to see how much we can help you out and how much we can make more of you shine through. It's one of those things that, you know, I love to connect with people. I love to see what we do to help them, and we're just kind of broadening some of those services that we do, but it's just been phenomenal. Look at some of these before and afters. I mean, it just blows me away what the technology lets us do today. So if any of this stuff interests you, reach out to me or call the office, text the office, and we'll get you set up.